Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to Budget Buying, your go-to channel for the latest tech and outdoor gear. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best foldable storage cart options designed to make transporting heavy gear incredibly easy. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hikemoon Foldable Storage Cart. Hikemoon Foldable Storage Cart is built to make transporting heavy gear incredibly easy, no matter where your next adventure takes you. Whether you are moving groceries from the car, carrying camping gear into the woods, or hauling sports equipment to a weekend game, this cart provides a practical and highly durable solution. One of the best features of the Hikemoon Foldable Storage Cart is its massive 150 liters capacity. Offering 5.3 cubic feet of interior space, it is actually 50% larger than many standard utility carts on the market. This gives you plenty of room to pack everything you need in a single trip. It also includes thoughtful storage extras like a special side pocket perfectly sized for longer items such as tent poles or umbrellas, along with handy cup holders to keep your drink secure and within reach while you walk. Moving heavy loads across difficult surfaces can be frustrating, but the all-terrain wheels make it remarkably smooth. The wheels feature a 6-inch diameter and a wide 2.5-inch footprint with deep, shock-absorbing treads. They are designed to easily handle soft sand, thick mud, wet grass, and rough gravel. Because the front wheels feature a full 360-degree swivel, steering feels effortless, allowing you to make tight turns even when the cart is fully loaded. The heavy-duty build ensures the cart will not let you down. The sturdy metal frame is surprisingly strong, capable of safely supporting up to 420 pounds of weight. The main basket is crafted from tough 600D Oxford fabric, which is highly tear-resistant and completely waterproof. When it gets dirty after a long camping trip, the fabric is fully removable for quick and easy cleaning. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The cart features a brilliant auto-rebound handle. The ergonomic grip easily adjusts to your preferred angle for comfortable pulling. When you let go, the handle automatically springs back to a vertical upright position. This means you never have to bend down to pick it up off the ground. When you are finished using it, the Hikemoon Foldable Storage Cart offers a compact fold. You can simply pull the center strap and the entire cart folds down to 1/6 of its original size in seconds. It stores perfectly in the trunk of your car or a tight closet space until you need it again. Coming in at number 4, the Syocyo Foldable Storage Cart. Syocyo Foldable Storage Cart is a highly dependable and spacious utility wagon designed to take the physical strain out of moving heavy items. Whether you are loading up camping tents, carrying bulky beach chairs, transporting a week's worth of groceries, or moving heavy gardening supplies, this cart is built to handle it all effortlessly. It is the perfect companion to release your back from heavy lifting, allowing you to travel easy and carry much more in a single trip. Strength is at the core of the Syocyo Foldable Storage Cart. It features a premium heavy-duty steel frame that safely supports an impressive load capacity of up to 420 pounds. When fully unfolded, the cart measures 36.8 by 22.8 by 33.9 inches, providing a massive 180 liters of open storage space. Despite being able to carry such heavy and large loads, the cart is designed for smooth movement. It comes equipped with dual-bearing all-terrain wheels. These rugged wheels roll effortlessly over challenging surfaces like soft beach sand, thick grass, and loose soil. The front wheels also rotate a full 360 degrees, enabling smooth and tight radius turns without any frustrating resistance. Pulling the cart is incredibly comfortable thanks to the 90-degree adjustable handle. This flexible handle rotates smoothly and locks securely in place, giving you complete directional control. It is perfectly suitable for people of all heights. A brilliant feature of the handle is its auto-rebound function. If you drop it, the handle automatically springs back to an upright position. You will never have to bend over to pick it up off the dirt, making your trips across the beach or the farmer's market much more pleasant. The main storage basket is made from tough, removable 600D Oxford fabric. This material is completely waterproof, making it highly resistant to wet sand, accidental liquid spills, and sharp scratches. When it gets dirty, you can easily remove the fabric for a quick and simple clean. When your adventure is over, the Syocyo foldable storage cart folds down in a matter of seconds. By simply pulling the internal drawstring, the cart collapses into a highly compact size of just 10.6 by 13 by 27.8 inches. This clever folding mechanism saves up to 80% of its volume, allowing you to easily store the wagon in a tight closet, a garage corner, or the trunk of your car. At number 3, we have the Overmount Foldable Storage Cart. Overmount Foldable Storage Cart is a true one-trip wonder designed to make transporting heavy gear faster, easier, and much more efficient. If you are tired of making endless back-and-forth trips from your car, this cart allows you to simply load everything up and go. With a large weight capacity supporting up to 330 pounds, it handles everything from heavy camping equipment and sports gear to large grocery hauls and messy gardening supplies. It even includes a specialized side pocket built specifically to carry awkward, long items like tent poles or umbrellas safely. To ensure long-term reliability, the Overmount Foldable Storage Cart is constructed from a rugged Q195 carbon steel frame. This heavy-duty build handles tough outdoor tasks with incredible ease. The storage basket is made from highly durable Oxford fabric that easily withstands heavy loads and rough use. A major advantage of this cart is how easy it is to maintain. Unlike many other utility wagons, this cart features a one-click removable fabric system. If the cart gets dirty after a muddy camping trip or a rainy afternoon, you can quickly detach the fabric and wash it, keeping your wagon looking fresh and clean for its next use. When it comes to moving heavy loads, this cart is ready to conquer any terrain. It is equipped with 4 wide, all-terrain wheels that feature a dual-bearing design. This setup provides superior stability and exceptionally smooth movement across difficult surfaces like soft sand, loose rocks, thick grass, and sticky mud. For total control during transport, the front wheels feature a full swivel function for tight turning, along with a reliable brake system so the cart stays firmly in place when parked on uneven ground. Despite its rugged build and large capacity, the Overmount Foldable Storage Cart offers a brilliant space-saving design. When you are finished using it, the entire cart folds down in mere seconds. It collapses into a highly compact form of just 4 cubic feet. This makes it incredibly easy to fit neatly into the trunk of a small car, slide into a crowded garage, or tuck away in a hallway closet. This clever mix of heavy-duty capacity and compact folding makes it a highly practical and versatile helper for all your outdoor activities. Next up at number 2 is the Hikenture Foldable Storage Cart. Hikenture Foldable Storage Cart is built to handle heavy loads and rough outdoor adventures with incredible ease. If you are planning a beach trip, a family picnic, or a long camping weekend, this cart provides a massive amount of space to carry everything you need in a single trip. Offering 7 cubic feet of interior storage space, it boasts 3 to 4 times the capacity of a standard 24-inch travel suitcase. This means you can comfortably fit large coolers, folding chairs, sports equipment, and bulky bags without running out of room. Supporting all that weight is a highly durable and sturdy stainless steel frame that safely holds up to 330 pounds. This heavy-duty construction ensures the cart will not buckle under pressure. The basket itself is made from tough, tear-resistant Oxford fabric that stands up well to outdoor wear and tear. When the fabric inevitably gets dirty from muddy gear or sandy towels, it is completely removable and washable, making cleanup quick and simple. What truly sets the Hikenture Foldable Storage Cart apart is its exceptional mobility. It is equipped with super large 4-inch wide wheels featuring a deep anti-slip tread pattern. These oversized wheels are specifically designed to easily roll over challenging surfaces like soft beach sand, thick grass, and rough dirt paths without sinking or getting stuck. The dual front wheels also rotate a full 360 degrees, providing perfectly smooth steering and allowing you to maneuver around tight corners effortlessly. To make pulling the cart as comfortable as possible, it features a highly versatile telescoping handle. This handle easily adjusts in length to fit users of different heights, ensuring you do not have to hunch over while walking. The handle also rotates 360 degrees, which makes pulling and turning the cart feel completely natural and strain-free. Despite its massive carrying capacity and oversized wheels, the Hikenture foldable storage cart is incredibly space-efficient when not in use. It folds down to an impressively compact size of just 13 by 8.8 by 24.4 inches, which is about half the folded size of many competing wagons. This clever, space-saving design means it stores perfectly in a small closet, under a bed, or inside a crowded car trunk, leaving plenty of room for the rest of your travel gear. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sekey Foldable Storage Cart. Sekey Foldable Storage Cart is the ultimate heavy-duty hauling machine, perfectly designed to take the stress out of your outdoor adventures. Whether you are planning the perfect beach day, a long camping trip, or a big backyard barbecue, this cart offers a massive amount of space. With a stunning 200 liters of interior capacity, it provides twice the storage space of regular utility wagons. The highly durable frame safely supports an incredible 440 pounds of weight, meaning you can easily load up heavy coolers, bulky folding chairs, large tents, and all your essential gear in just one trip. When it comes to rolling across difficult terrain, the Sekey Foldable Storage Cart truly shines. It is equipped with extra-wide 9-inch by 4-inch balloon-style tires. These massive sand-proof wheels feature deep tread grips specifically engineered to effortlessly conquer soft sand, loose gravel, and thick grass. Unlike skinny wheel wagons that often sink and get stuck, these oversized wheels glide over obstacles, making sure you never struggle to pull your gear to the perfect spot. Steering this heavy load is surprisingly simple and comfortable. The cart features an adjustable handle that can be set to the perfect height for any user, preventing uncomfortable bending while you walk. Paired with front wheels that swivel a full 360 degrees, the wagon easily handles tight U-turns and complex maneuvers. The design is so well balanced that you can achieve smooth, one-handed steering even when the cart is fully loaded to its 440 pounds capacity. Despite its massive carrying power and oversized balloon tires, the Sekey Foldable Storage Cart is built for incredible convenience. It folds flat faster than you can apply sunscreen, transforming from a huge hauling machine into a highly compact package in mere seconds. This clever folding design allows it to tuck neatly into the trunk of your car or rest quietly in a garage corner until your next sunny adventure calls. Heavy-duty, yet remarkably easy to use, this wagon is your ticket to stress-free outdoor fun, helping you focus on making lasting memories rather than struggling with heavy equipment. Ready to make your next outdoor trip or grocery haul a breeze? Check the price link in the description to find the best deals on these incredible foldable storage carts today. If this video helped you find your next hauling helper, make sure to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more top-tier product reviews and buying guides.